Good morning.
Hello, everyone.
We are here at the Grand Floridian on day 2, pretty much. We did not do our Marceling the Magic tour. I don't know if we said that.
Yeah, I don't think we did.
We had a bit of a hiccup at the guest services last night, so we just slept in. So we're gonna do Grand Floridian Cafe for lunch/breakfast. It looks like they have some breakfast items for lunch, but we'll see when we get there.
It's like a brunch more than anything.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if like the menu was messed up on the app or something, so we'll just see when we get there.
Yeah.
But either way, it looks like it has really good food. And then we'll probably either go to Magic Kingdom or the pool or vice versa. Just for today, have like a relaxed Magic Kingdom day. And then hopefully we'll watch the fireworks from this view. This castle view right here. Since we're like literally facing the castle from our room, it's awesome. But yeah, that's all we're doing today. Not too much going on.
Today's an easy day.
Yeah. Just gotta like enjoy this resort for what it since
Right.
we're never here.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. This is the menu for Grand Floridian Cafe for lunch, and they definitely have breakfast until 2, so that's pretty awesome. I would hopefully it's good. I suggest if you need breakfast late, that's a pretty good place to start. So what'd you get? The steak and eggs?
Yeah.
Okay, that looks really good. And I got the brioche French toast. Yum. It's also banana foster oatmeal. So we're waiting for a boat. It's very loud over here because of the music.
Very loud.
Waiting for a boat for Magic Kingdom. How'd you like your food?
It was good. Just good.
Yeah, it was just good. I feel like my French toast is not worth $17 just for French toast and bacon, but the steel cut oatmeal is really good and only $9, so I think that's better. I like that they have breakfast still too.
My steak had an advertised steak sauce, and there wasn't anything on it.
Didn't come with it. Mine was kind of dry too. Like it needed more sauce, so I don't know. It was okay. I don't know if it was like worth the price, but I like that I can get breakfast still. That's
Yeah,
the only
that
good
was
thing.
nice.
Yeah. All right, let's go to Magic Kingdom. We're here. Looks like it. Yay! We made it. After a long, long boat ride. Oh, they shot us.
Strike your feathers, dearie. Show 'em your flock.
Hey, send them hens to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want.
Time to ride Splash Mountain.
That's me. Sooner than later, fox and their bears will kick their prairie rabbits for fuel.
A little sprinkle. Oh, it doesn't shoot out. There's a parade. There you go. Oh, look, it's a fantasy. Slip and fall, slip and fall. Fantasyland for a little bit. Just gonna check out the train back here. Since it's back here, since it's down, you can just kind of go look at it. Get a close-up look at the train. There's nobody back here too. It's nice.
When the freight is crossing our tracks, we can't move for about 20 minutes. So it all depends.
Okay. And how many people?
300 is Drink. We have max. So it takes 3 people, 3 to 4.
Space Mountain. Beach Club, yay! Oh, it smells nice. We gotta go find the quick service. I think we gotta go that way? Yeah, I think they're down here. Ooh, look at the desserts. Oh, it smells good in here. It smells decent in here. It smells like sweet stuff. Burnt and sweet. Oh, at least they have freestyles. Ooh, pretty. Made it to EPCOT for nighttime. We're gonna go see Peabo Bryson over in American Adventure and get some foods and beer. Right? Yes. Yay. Time for seafood. It smells so good over here. That's what we're getting. Okay, here's the buttered grilled oysters, citrus beer, seafood boil, and boudin. I don't know what's in there, but we're gonna eat it.
Boudin.
We're gonna eat it and then go over there and watch a show. There it is. Verdict is the oysters are the best part, I think. This is second. This is actually a really good deal. I think it's like what, $8, but there's a lot of food in there. And these were a disappointment. They're spicy, the boudin, but I didn't like it that much. I recommend these the most, and then also this. Yeah, I said there was sausage in there. There's shrimp, mussels, potato, and corn. Not bad. I like your beer a lot too. Do you like it? Yeah. Go and get a drink at Regal Eagle. There's a big line. Time to go see Peabo Bryson. Let's grab a spot.
I can show you the world.
Whoa.
Shining,
I've got forever fans.
a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no.
It's Pizza Pan.
Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to EPCOT. Welcome to the Flower and Garden Festival. So, we're gonna start with some filling tunes for you. So put your hands together, okay?
This is cute. Oh, a Mickey one. Ooh, electric lemonade. I love this song.
It's Peabo Bryson, right?
out on the balcony. Matt's got his Mickey bar.
Premium.
Premium Mickey bar. I have my ice cream sandwich that I've never tried before. This is exciting. We're ready to watch Happily Ever After. Look at that view. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Yeah. Hopefully we can hear something. I don't know where we're going to hear the music from because we're not really near the beach, but oh well. Oh, there it goes. Oh, I can hear it. Guess the fireworks are over there. Whee! All the colors. It smells delicious over here. Yay! Where the potato do? It's like this with the oh. Walking over to Polynesian from Grand Floridian. Walking around the water. It's quite spooky out here. There's nobody here. I think we're gonna pass the luau. I'll try to film what I can. I can hear it though. Ah, it's a little wedding pavilion. Little wings on it. That's cute. Restrooms. Oh, I can't see it. They blocked us. Ooh, spooky. I got the Thai coconut meatballs over rice, and Matt got, wow, that's a lot of pork. It's pork fried rice, but I don't see any rice.
It's mostly pork.
That's weird. Is that Maui's necklace, or is it like, maybe it's a Hawaiian thing? Oh, I like this little turtle guy. Oop. Oh, there he is. Yeah, I like him. Oh, the pearl. Ooh. Oh. We don't know that. Yay. Oh. Oh, look at the baby. He's so cute. Oh, look how blue it is over there. Oh. She knows too. Oh, you're getting wet. Oh,
Skip!